If your door lock is acting up, knowing how to fix it can save you a ton of hassle and keep your home secure without calling a locksmith every time. So, first off, if your lock feels sticky or hard to turn, try lubricating the lock mechanism with a graphite powder or a silicone-based spray. Avoid oil because it can gum up the works over time. Next, check if any parts inside the lock are worn out. Things like springs or tumblers can wear down and cause trouble, and replacing those parts can bring your lock back to life. If the key doesn't turn smoothly or gets stuck, rekeying the lock might be your best bet. It's like giving your lock a fresh start with new pins that match a different key. Make sure you use the right tools and don't force the key if it feels stuck, or you might break it inside the lock. For deadbolt locks, double check that the bolt slides fully into the strike plate. If it doesn't, loosening or adjusting the strike plate screws can help. Also, clean around the lock and keyhole to get rid of any dirt or grime that could block the mechanism. If you're dealing with a smart lock, make sure the batteries are fresh since low power can cause weird behavior. And finally, if you're unsure or things feel too complicated, getting a professional opinion early on can save you from bigger headaches later. One of the biggest mistakes people make when their door lock is not working properly is ignoring lubrication, which leads to jammed or stiff locks. Just a little graphite powder can fix this fast. Another common issue is trying to force a stuck key, which often breaks the key inside and makes the problem worse. If the key won't turn, stop and look for other fixes like cleaning or rekeying. Lastly, many folks forget to check for worn parts inside the lock. Ignoring this can mean the whole lock needs replacement when changing out a spring or tumbler could have done the job for way less cash. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid place to find trusted local contractors who know their stuff and won't leave you hanging when your door locks need fixing. It also helps contractors connect with homeowners looking for reliable help, making sure everyone wins with smooth project matches.